1, 2, 3. Hey, what is going on, guys? My name is Seb Plays, or Sebastian, aka Sebastian, and this is I have a fidget spinner. It's green. That's it. So yeah, it spins like a diamond. I'm not sure if diamonds even spin.
Yeah, it's spinning.
So yeah, I am here with my niece again.
Hi, I'm again.
Her real name is actually Maite. We're Spanish, so that's why it's so weird. But look, isn't it so cool? This is my fidget spinner. I hope you guys can see it all. Put it closer. I'm sorry, it's like up to your face. But yeah, here it is. So yeah, that's basically all I wanted to review. I don't know why I even made this video. I just wanted to show you my fidget spinner. Look, shush. So yeah, I am gonna be making more videos like basketball. Like real life basketball, or like soccer.
Okay.
No one likes her. None of you like her. If you live with her, your life would be done. Just done, but bye.